People live with a big conceivedness according to social norms. When they are eating, the plate contains not only the food but also the conceivedness. They are wearing not only the clothes but also the conceivedness. When they are talking, they out not only the words but also the conceivedness. Whatever the activities they do, the conceivedness exists within. They build up a conceivedness, either others are similar to me or better than me, or else they are lower than me. Now we understand we are enmeshed. In order to become free from all these, we have to be eliminated from this conceivedness. I do never compare myself with another one, and I do not let myself to be compared with another. The conceivedness exists in my mind when I am comparing myself with others, and when I let myself to be compared with others. But since the childhood, we are habituated to compare and let us to be compared. We are guided. These friends are same as your level. Associate with them in this particular way. We are taught to respect teachers. We are shown the worst group of students in the classroom and said, do not even sit with them together. Since our childhood, we are trained and taught to build up the conceivedness. And then we listened to those words and we build up the conceivedness. As a respect to those words, truly, we habituated to compare and we let ourselves to be compared. Now I am saying you, do not compare and do not let yourself to be compared as well. Then a person with conscious mind thinks, when he is talking, am I comparing myself or am I letting myself to be compared? When he is eating, he thinks, am I eating either foods or conceivedness? When he is wearing clothes, he thinks, am I wearing either clothes or conceivedness? He realizes 95% of the life he has used the conceivedness by assuming it as the life. Instead of physical assist, it is the huge burden. It takes some time to realize, and it is not easy to realize as well. What I am saying is a practical way to get rid of the conceivedness. What I am saying in that method is, when you are attending activities, the mind measures you due to the habit. Then let the mind to measure. Mind says, this is the person who is greater than me. Respect him. Then you respect. Mind say, a cheaper person, do not care him at all. The mind again say, he is same level as yourself. Let the mind to do so and then think. What I did, I measured comparatively to myself until I do so. I am having the existency. I want to measure comparatively because of my ego. The day which I get free from myself, I will not feel any comparator. On that day, I will have the idea of everlasting freedom. Then I will exist everywhere. I will become universal.